Assalamualaikum, Sir Hafiz. We are from Group 10 and today we are going to present the case of Tan Kok Siang versus Kemuning Setia Sdn Bhd, which revolves around a breach of sales and purchase agreement (SPA), but did not receive a vacant position for the three-story terrace building house. The appellant, Mr. Tan, fully paid the purchase but did not receive the vacant position by the stipulated date in March 2015 as per SPA contract. So the respondent, Kemuning Setia Sdn Bhd, argued that the delays were due to disruption caused by Mr. Tan's early resignation from a separate employment contract. The Court of Appeal ruled in favor of Mr. Tan, emphasizing that the SPA contract obligations were distinct from the employment contract and finding the respondent in breach for failing to deliver possession and pay liquidated damage. The court allowed Tan's counterclaim for specific performance and damages, reinforcing the binding nature of contractual terms.
I paid full price for this house, but the Kemuning Setia failed to deliver vacant position by the agreed deadline in 2015. So, I filed a counterclaim because they did not comply with the SPA term.
We acknowledge the delay, but Mr. Tan's resignation from his role as our project manager has disrupted the operations, and this has contributed to the delayed delivery. We believe he was partially responsible for this.
Your Honor, the SPA terms are clear. Under Clause 22, the vendor must deliver vacant position by stipulated time or face liquidated damages. The delay is unrelated to the employment contract.
Can you confirm whether the liquidated damages were calculated for the delay? Also, how does the separate employment contract impact the SPA?
As per the agreement, I am entitled to liquidated damage for each day of the delay. So, the SPA and my prior employee was independent matter.
The resignation has caused the disruption in the operation. We plan to handle this situation internally, but we face unexpected challenges.
However, operational challenges do not negate the SPA obligations. The contract terms explicitly bind the vendor to deliver possession by the agreed timeline.
Alright. After careful consideration of the facts and arguments presented, this court finds in favor of the appellant Tan Kok Siang. The respondent Kemuning Setia Sdn Bhd has breached the sale and purchase agreement by failing to deliver vacant possession of a property by the stipulated date and is therefore liable for the delay. The court hereby orders specific performance requiring the respondent to deliver vacant possession to Tan Kok Siang immediately. Additionally, the respondent is to pay liquidated damages to the appellant for the breach of contract. The case is now closed.
Okay, so what have you learned from this? Basically, this roleplay demonstrates the importance of adhering to the contractual obligations. So the SPA breach led to the financial and legal repercussions for the vendor, which is the Kemuning Setia. So what have we learned from this? Let's reflect. So the first reflection is the importance of fulfilling contract obligations. The case highlights how critical it is for both parties to honor their contractual commitments, as failure to do so can lead to a legal and financial consequences.
The second reflection is suppression of agreement. The decision reinforced that obligations under separate contract should not be conflicted, ensuring clarity in legal dispute.
The third reflection is the liquidated damages serve as a safeguard for parties affected by the contractual breach, emphasizing the need to include clear penalty clauses in agreements.
The fourth reflection is impact of mismanagement and delays. Operational inefficiencies or disputes should not excuse non-performance of clear contractual terms as seen as the SPS violation.
Alright, the fifth and the last reflection will be learning from judicial reasoning. The court's detailed analysis of the SPA and employment contract teaches us the importance of properly drafting, documenting and adhering the agreements.
That's
All,
from us.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Macam korang speaking.
You know.
Alah.